Cause you know it can't tame her. She act like she famous. She so famous. That's what they be saying. Her body shape so amazing. It's amazing. I look at her like damn. We smoking packs and we faded. We be faded. Late night X-rated. Just me and her, no playing. I ain't even gotta say shit. I don't never even say shit. Cute chick wanna fuck everyday shit. But I swear love mama ain't basic. Everybody she think she famous. Her hair dead, her skin soft, and her body shape so crazy. My whip long, she wanna ride, I might drive her crazy. She shooting on me, I wanna dive, I scoop the shit on the daily. My mama say that she not right, but that pussy made me go crazy. Had to get up, I was sitting on my ass. Run it up, get a bag. So I started stacking shit hella fast. Had to leave my ex bitch in the past. Picked up on a new little baddie. She all about that cash. Whip, we be all up in traffic. Steady chasing the bag. Never wanna go back to the past. I never be last. Full throttle, got my foot on the gas. I'ma blow up the spaz. She act like she famous. That's what they be saying. Her body shape so amazing. I look at her like damn. We smoking back so we faded. Late night X-rated. Just me and her, no playing. I ain't even gotta say shit. She's so hot, she blazing. Her body is baking. Tattoo game on crazy. She match my flavor. She act like she famous. I don't even really blame her. Her last nigga go crazy. Cause you know it can't tame her. She act like she famous. That's what they be saying. Her body shape so amazing. I look at her like damn. We smoking packs and we faded. Late night X-rated. Just me and her, no playing. I ain't even gotta say shit.
I use PayPal to buy this ticket. I'm paying it off over time.
Jay Soul, what it do, bro? Bars. You popping out? You popping out? Let me know. Real quick, you want to pop out? Let me know. Bars. Yeah, what it do, Jay Soul, my bro? Yeah, you want to tap in? Let me know. What's up with it? You want to tap in? Let me know. You already know. I got you, fam. You know we jamming. Got a commercial. You already know we the best. YouTube family. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pop out, rock out. Let's go. Yeah. Come on, y'all. Tap in. What it do? Okay, bars. I got you. Let's go. There you go, right there. That boy hopped on ready. Let's go.
What up, bro?
Man, you the man. Just got out.
Just pulled up
Or
to
you
work.
going in?
Finna go in about like 20 minutes.
Okay, that's about right. Yeah, about the same time.
Oh, God.
Get that money, bro. You already know.
Yes,
Let's go
sir.
get it then. Let's get it.
Hell yeah.
Everybody, we jamming the J Soul. Let's go.
Hey. J Soul. That's so. For sure. Smoke and get my chicken high. Fly guy, Bill and I'm the science guy. Drove by, don't say hi, not a friendly guy. Laid back, dope, smoke and get my chicken high. Laid back, dope, smoke and get my chicken high. Fly guy, Bill and I'm the science guy. Drive by, don't say hi, not a friendly guy. Laid back, dope smoking, get my chicken high. Smoking on exotic, got my noggin floating in the sky. This shit tastes tropical.